Alright, guys.
It's time.
Dude, why'd you take it off?
I didn't.
No.
I've been doing this.
Oh.
Okay, follow the leader.
Alright.
I'll stay back.
Okay.
Take the safety off.
Oh yeah, of course.
Safety's off.
Well, you're a trucker, right?
Yep. Yep. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Alright. Now let's not die. Just figured we'd keep them spread out, the doctors.
Yeah.
Walking awfully fast. We got a long time to do this. Ain't gotta run. Yeah.
How often
Might be
do you
camera.
can do stuff like this?
Top
Much
right.
as I
No, top
possibly
right.
I held it.
can.
Okay, then
Yeah,
it's
something like that. Sometimes I miss a lot.
How much is all your gear?
Oh shit. I honestly don't even know anymore.
Yeah.
I didn't even bring all of it with me.
Oh, you got more?
Yeah, a lot more. My room's covered in airsoft stuff.
How many guns you got?
Like 6, 7.
They all rifle?
Yeah, I wasn't. No, I don't do shotguns. They're, yeah, I don't know.
So I'm
Not really
thinking
big
down
fan
the
of
trees.
shotguns, I guess.
We'll go off 2 separate ways.
No, they're all AEG assault
We don't wanna
rifles,
go down too
besides
far.
sidearms, of course.
No, it's me and yeah. So I'm thinking when we get down here towards the trees, we'll split off 2 groups, and we'll have the road in between us, and just go down.
Okay.
Try to keep those trees. Just take Nate, you can go with 1 medic. Megan, you'll go with me, and then just have 2 guys on your side, on that side. Well, 3 on this side, and you can come over here with us.
So we're going.
Yeah, just go to the right of the road, so that way we're not just walking right straight down the road.
Yeah, that's fair. You can make James walk straight down through the road, like right in the center. Just see if.
Huh?
I was just being a bleed.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's go.
Send it right through.
Yes.
Where y'all at? I'm gonna stay behind you guys because I'm recording and a medic, so.
Let's go back this way. We'll cut down right there.
Alright, here's the road. Let's go down this little pocket here, yeah. Yeah. Where's the road at? It's right there, right? Okay, yeah, let's keep But we're now right out in the road. See smoke, bro? There's a ref over here. You guys circle out. Watch the fields. I mean the woods. James, you want to go fan out around?
I don't.
Alright.
Hey guys, come on.
Careful, careful.
Yeah, come on. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, cover.
Who's coming? Who is? Yeah, there's like 4 over there. You gotta go to the right as well. Should I call out a call?
Hey you guys, come on. Yep.
Sage.
See him.
Sage. Sage.
Okay, guys. Look at, we're all bunched up. You want to go up top?
Okay.
Just hold
Hey.
that line. Don't let them pass
Guys,
there so that
I
we
got
don't
you.
get flanked.
Grab David.
Where are we going? Down.
Up the hill. Up the hill.
Look at. Should we pull out?
We got the chop back there.
Should we? See that you have the bombs on the line? Somebody right here. Over here.
I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey. Stay down.
Do you want to go into this?
Light him up.
Go like this.
Shoot.
Guys, bad news. Guys, not firing.
We can.
Hold up. Calm up. Hold your fire.
Come on, move. Yep.
Not friendly.
Right here. Move forward.
Watch out.
Move forward.
Fucking gun isn't feeding.
What?
Gun isn't feeding. God damn it. Fucking gun. Gotcha.
Yeah. Move forward.
With this shot. Here's that. Here's my
Guys.
Okay, guys.
I heard JJ run that way.
Yeah, there's about 3 or 4 of them.
Okay.
I saw. We got people over here.
Sounds like the Russians are taking each other now.
Yeah, they are. Okay. Mikey, you stay here with David. Ryan, you're gonna come up and Mikey, we're gonna keep yelling. Our call is fucking renegades. You hear renegades? That's us.
Okay, and then we need to. So you
Go
guys
on
have
to the
to.
right.
We're gonna
Not
come
one
up
to the
around.
right.
You hear renegades? It's us. Okay. Okay. Fuck, I want to go down. Meet up with the horses down there. I don't want to leave these guys. You know what I mean?
Let's go with
Pine, that's them.
go with
Okay, so we still say J.C. Pine. And
Brady.
then
Brady.
they say Renegades, that's them.
Clear so far, guys.
What?
Let's go ahead and move back. Cover.
You moving now?
No. Okay, guys. We don't know where the guys over there went. There were at least 3 of them now. I saw. Yes.
Hey, you ready? We're gonna move forward.
It's not them, Ryan. I already called it out earlier.
Them are safe.
These guys down here, they already.
Say!
I don't know if we know how to call them passes.
Watch the guy in the right,
Hey,
left.
Americans! Americans, we're up here! Okay. Here, you stay in here with them. I've got a right-handed. I'm right-handed, so.
Okay, so, Ren, you gonna watch? That way, I got you.
Bradley.
Abrams!
Yes, it's the
Come on, you guys. Let's move forward. Move forward. Watch to the right. Go on. Right there.
Got good?
Yeah.
What's that?
Back, 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 back.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, switch.
Okay, guys.
Ready?
Move west, move west, move west. I got 6.
Hey, tree, let's go to the tree. Come on.
Bradley!
Get in there.
You guys ready? Think so.
Bradley!
Move forward and watch.
Wait, so technically the paddle.
Get up here.
None of us can. We can just get hurt.
So yeah, so if you get caught in the arm, you can't use it on. If you get caught in the leg,
Unless you
got
support it, right? so you get shot in the chest. You keep on going.
just
Nathan.
kind of stuns you.
Nathan, go. Down.
If we get hurt bad enough,
Go,
what
go.
happens if we can't walk? Like we get lit up in the leg. Okay. So they're all gonna have to carry us? If all of us get shot?
My bad. Or what?
Fuck.
Here.
American!
What, do you want to take
Hey,
much for
just
us?
do it
singular.
Okay. Next. We're moving up.
Gotcha.
Moving back. Move rocks here.
Okay, this. Demo the chopper.
Okay.
Ammo can upside down. Upside down.
Watch careful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch low right.
Oh,
Mike, you get high.
yeah,
Ryan, you watch
okay.
down.
One second, I'm checking plants real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
So I got some.
American!
You think so? Yeah.
Here, let's go under the trees and use it. No, check. No, I ain't got anything.
Bradley!
Abrams!
Let's go, you guys. Come on. That's it. That's him. Move. Come on. Up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's some. Okay, back up a little bit. Okay. I'm going right here.
Guys, I got people.
Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. On your back. Let's go, let's go.
See at least one.
Bradley!
Sorry. Sorry.
Guys, make sure to stay
Oh.
on that side of the trees because they're on that side to the east.
Then you go on this side.
They're up. They're up there. Go, go, go.
Go with me. You go that way.
The other medic went up there already.
Yeah, Brian, they're right over there on that top, on top of that hill.
Where the hell are these guys at?
They're shooting at you, Ryan.
Shit. Get back.
Bradley! That's not them, Ryan. It's not them.
Bradley!
It's risky. Hey, bro!
Come on, you guys, move, move.
Hey, friendly, friendly.
Hey! Hey!
We got contact this side. We're gonna need at least a couple people. Watch this hill line right over here.
Okay.
Got fire, got fire.
Contact left.
In the road.
Slowly move up, slowly.
I can run back.
We got one right.
Okay.
Friendly over here, guys.
Okay.
Did you guys already demo the chopper?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys get. You guys can get us back. You don't have to have all of us, you know, make it back.
Okay.
So.
Who's got broken leg?
David does. He's up here.
Okay.
We've been carrying him.
Go.
Yeah.
Carry him.
Hey, Mikey, I'll get under him.
Let's go.
Oh God, come on. Come on, guys. Got this, Ryan? You good?
Yeah, let's move her down.
Okay, guys, come on. Let's move. Here,
Go,
you
move,
too.
move, go.
I don't know where we're going, man. You guys gotta get off the distraction.
Nathan does.
Nathan. Here, Mike. Stay with him. I got the other arm. Okay. I wasn't carrying him that entire way. I was just getting him down. You're good.
Hey, go with them.
Left. Big ass safety for us.
That extraction point. Meg. Hey. Stay here. Watch for distraction. People over there.
Good, David?
Up, hit.
Who's hit?
He is, okay. Shit. Is this the extraction?
No, we don't know, man.
Why is asking him? Because he knows. Shit. He's hit.
First thing I see, American team. He's covering back there.
Okay, is this shooting or not? Brody, is this shooting?
No, not really.
Where's the extraction point for team captain?
Nate knows. No, Nate knows.
Gotta get back to the extraction point. Catch start. Did I go get him?
No, fuck.
No, we're all good.
Okay, put it from, make sure you can get a few.
Brody, what about the high cap?
Let's get behind this tree. I don't have it.
We're gonna plan.
Yeah.
David's got the mid cap here.
No, let's go on that tree.
I'll
We could get across there, it's much better cover. Because we don't have to worry about that coming out. Come on, David.
We fucked up, Ryan. We're on the wrong arms.
I know.
We're just getting behind this tree to plan. Or I don't know. We can keep going. Don't let him. Keep going on the tree. I don't know. Well, I'm supposed to get in that girl free. We can stop. Let's go down the street, guys. Let's go right. Come down in the center. Come down in the back.
I don't see him coming forward yet. It's sort of feeding now with the new mag. I mean, both legs.
Go break both your legs. I'm sorry.
Helicopters hit kind of hard.
Got you.
Yeah, they get front row seats to about everything, even the crash. Carrying the deagle in here is kind of a bitch.
Why don't you hold it? Is it my single punch thing? I carry the UMP?
Yeah, sure.
There's somebody up there.
Drop the Americans or Whiskies?
Where'd the rest of our squad go? Are they dead?
You guys know better than us.
I don't know who your squad is.
They split off down to the bottom to try and cover.
I don't see anybody moving forward yet.
That means they're probably still alive.
Pretty guess I got bit by a red ant. Yeah. So who all was on your team?
We had the lady.
Remember, we're random
who?
ass trap pilots. We won't know who it is. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I was just saying.
Oh, I don't see
Hey, where's
anybody.
Nathan at?
Is there? Are we missing any of your?
The guy in the like.
How many more are of there are you?
Yeah.
Well, I know 2 more.
2 more? Okay. One's hit. So that means there's 1 more.
Yeah.
Right?
Probably. You guys down there?
I don't see anybody moving.
Head count.
Oh, he's right over there. Okay. Guys, we're
Which tree?
good. Oh, I set in cactus
Oh, I see him
somewhere.
moving. Okay. They're still back.
Ready to go, guys?
Yeah. We're gonna be. You guys ready to move?
Yeah.
Ready? They're still back, Lace.
Okay. There you go. Here, Ryan, get on this side.
Yep.
I got cactus in my ass.
Oh no.
It's not bad, but.
Moving down. Okay.
Nice and slow. Nice and
Could have left there. Let's hold up. We don't know where we're going. Send him down his back.
The thing is, when I get shot, I can't shoot.
Nathan!
You're gonna have to. If I get shot in the leg, you're gonna have to have a hand on me.
got him, I'm sure they
Or holding, or like.
God, take us where we need to go from here.
Okay.
We're gonna, here. Trucker?
Yeah.
Hey, James, come down here.
Which way? You want to back?
Trucker and James, you carry them. Me and Ryan will grab your primaries. Here, you're gonna carry David. Gotcha.
No, my boots are like.
It's alright, Ryan. Yeah. Sure.
I don't know if that hill's a bitch.
Yeah. It is.
Are there you have secondaries to help you or not? No, okay. That's fine.
Okay, you guys are ready. You're gonna have to actually pick him up, just so you know.
Like, you know.
Like, he's done.
You're gonna have to carry him now, or what?
They're gonna, yeah.
Basically, at least.
I was gonna say he's okay. Mike, go with him. Okay. Ryan, cover 6. I'm going. Hey guys, would it be easier to stretcher carry him? Would it be easier to get one person on each limb? Here, I'll swing this on back. Mikey, here, you get a leg, I'll get a leg. Ryan, you cover 6.
Okay, like
guys,
this?
each get an arm.
Like this, ready?
You're gonna get him by the leg.
Just
Just swing it, yeah.
okay.
Okay, grab him. No, grab my ankle. Yeah, I need to be working. Actually, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, you guys are up front. You guys got him? Okay, move left, move left. Left, no, this way, guys. You guys left.
Oh, I got it. What's going on? Is that hurting your arm, Sam?
So, how far? He's the one that knows.
Okay, we're almost done.
I know I'm asking everybody, like.
When your gunshots, BIP gets fine, cover him, we get a gun, alright?
Ryan! Catch up! Guys good?
Yeah.
Do we need a break?
Nope. Okay. Let's get there. Watch out for that match.
Glad we chose David and not me.
Oh God,
yes.
Or even like me or Ryan.
Break?
Okay. Guys good?
Nice.
Okay, stand down. Ryan?
Yeah?
This gun gives me flashbacks to MW3 so hard.
Does it?
Yeah.
You might want to aim a little bit lower.
Well, I have an UMP, so I'm feeling the same way.
If we get him under here, we got this covering him and that ridge.
How long until the extra?
I don't know.
You guys, we're going to drag him over here a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, hold on.
They're just gonna drag him.
Okay. Are you okay?
What hour mark are we at?
What?
What hour? Where are we at hour yet?
We're not even at 20 yet.
Really?
We started at
Good.
150. Not at 220 yet.
The Russian team just all rushed in and we completely circled them and we shot them all.
Okay.
Okay.
It went faster
What's
than
that?
expected.
Nathan,
Do we have
how much
anybody left?
further? Okay.
They're under this box.
Yeah.
We should take them under here actually. More
Hold on, just
I'll be happy to get water after this.
yeah.
Strong
Hey,
staying
James.
about another 5 minutes. So let's
James, here, take your gun back. I'll get top with
Gun
Team
need help
Trucker,
as well?
Ryan, and
All four of
Mikey
us
will get back. Hey, Ryan.
Yeah.
Switch out with James. Do
Okay.
you have any sling for that or anything?
Me?
Yeah, for that.
No.
No? Okay.
I don't have a sling on mine now.
Wait, is that an SR-25?
Yeah.
It's
That's
like
awesome.
an AR-10 sort of thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, that's really nice. Okay. How are we doing this?
You get one leg, Ryan will get, or Mikey, you get the other. Me and Trucker will
side
get
do
in
you want?
front.
Are we taking another field over there?
Actually, I'll do this side.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let's just grab them underneath the straps.
I gotta
Yeah.
grab them under
Here.
the
Yeah, both of them. Then we're gonna pick them up, bring them over this way, and then you guys got them?
Yep.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to go over here. Trucker, you go first. You got this, Mike. Watch his back.
Okay.
Got him.
Okay.
What's he caught on? He's caught on something.
Here, I got it.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Go,
you guys
shoot.
go. Okay.
Okay. I don't got a snap.
Yeah, bro, I'm glad we didn't pick you.
Yeah.
Or like you or me, even. Like anybody that.
I'm not saying anything about you, but
No, no.
He's a lot more dense than we are.
you got more muscle mass than the rest of us.
You scouted out of the compromise? They shouldn't know where you guys were. Some of you infiltrated pretty quietly. Is this it? Okay, hold on. We gotta send them down again.
Yeah, we need.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh God, I'm sorry, sir. I'm so sorry.
What happened?
You got him in the face.
Oh no. Again. Poor lad.
How you doing on ammo?
Good, it's only been shot twice.
Alright, can breathe.
Good, sir.
God, my iPod's just digging into my ears.
Same.
How much further, Nathan? How much further? Got him. Oh, shit. How's everybody feeling?
I feel like I'm running the mile for the track. Other than this is a lot more interesting because we have to carry extra 100.
We ought to strip him of his gear, have somebody take that, and just have somebody fireman carry him.
Oh God. My only problem is going underneath all this underbrush.
Yeah.
I don't want to have him get caught on something and drag 2 people down.
Oh, yeah.
Plus his gear doesn't weigh hardly nothing. He doesn't have any mags or anything on him.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right now.
Well, if we got, even if we did get someone a fireman carrying though, we need to figure out an easy way to go up real quick then, and have somebody behind you that way in case you guys do start to go.
Okay, Ryan.
Yeah.
Go over to Nathan. See where we're headed. Me and Mikey and.
Where is he?
Yeah. So, Brady, you gonna fireman carry? I'm gonna be behind you or what?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Go over and tell Ryan to be quiet. He said we're good.
Anybody?
It looks like a nice one. Oh God. Phew. It's a hot one. guys flipped over the ammo. Yeah, I told you to get extra.
Bearings.
Yeah.
So figure out where we're at.
Alright. Does he know where we're at?
Yeah.
I was gonna take mine off, but I'm already past that bomb to where it's like backwards or something.
I don't know how I'm not fogged yet, but
Nathan. Nathan. You know where we need to go?
okay. So I'm behind you, making sure he doesn't fall.
Let's lift him up.
Unless you want to be behind him and make sure they don't go over.
Position your helmet. Hey, Mike. No. If you can get on his back. Oh God, he's fucking dead weight. Yeah, it'll be best. Okay. Got him. Get under some. Do you? Yeah. Hold it. Okay. There. Okay, go. Left, left, left.
Go with my guy.
Do we have to hold it for an amount of time?
We got back security.
Get it set down. Okay. Okay, you set down first. Go.
He's gonna sit down. I'm gonna.
Hold this. Hold this. Hold it.
Come back
Actually,
here.
let's take it off.
We got back security.
Here it comes. Pull. And it's got straps.
Somebody just touch him over it. Because I'm gonna sit down here.
No, get here too. Okay, good. We need pop smoke. Shoot.
What out like this here?
Yeah.
How long do we got?
I don't know, Nathan. You guys are the ones that have the info.
Anybody who wants to take it.
Hold on, I got
Take
one.
it. I'm just because I.
What?
I still in there. Just sit on the ground.
Yeah, just sit down.
He's back here. If you want me to
You're good.
get him to come back. James. Yeah, I'm gonna take Chucker's gun so I can give it back to him. Ryan, you want this? I don't know what's gonna be consistent.
Hey, where's Nathan?
Nathan, he's hit. I thought, no, where did he go then?
He was just right over here.
I didn't see. He said back security and then security. Ready? Is the camera still?
Till's done.
Like upright?
What?
The camera still?
Yeah, as far as I know.
Okay.
So then, Nathan, how long do we have to hold the extract point for?
Can't remember. Casey was the one who had the.
It's 10 minutes. We'll say we've already been holding it for 3.
It smells great.
Right?
Let's see it.
Hopefully.
I gotta use
Either way, we pop smoke and we've got to hold it for 10, so that's.
So you're just unconscious now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep
That's hot. Camera still rolling? Is it red? Yeah. Yeah, we're good then. There, let's get him stripped down a little. It's not so hot. Take the belt off? Yeah. Ryan's just like, I work at a massage parlor.
I work on a morgue.
Oh god. Oh. Do you have, yeah, you do have it around there. I'm about to say you're gonna be a blind man for a sec. Here. Hi, bro.
Contact.
Oh god. My head's so wide they don't hardly fit. Okay, then I'll just throw on my other pair.
You good, Mikey?
Yeah, so much better.
Like I heard contact call from over there. I think they might be moving up on us.
Where's my...
Oh, sorry.
I'll cover Torrington Road. Ryan, you cover that way. Mike, you cover 6, okay?
Okay. And then James is still there, right?
We've got 5 minutes left.
Okay. Oh, dude, what's supposed to do with my book?
What? Okay, cool. It's probably James again. Probably James calling it again.
Ready, just right here?
Yeah, I'm just watching that side.
Okay. Ready, I'm gonna shoot myself if I didn't turn on the camera.
Well, come over here.
Because it should be on.
Well, come over here in front of me.
What?
Or kneel down right here. No, face me. Is it? Press the power button. Yeah, you're good. We're 36 minutes in.
Okay.
Yeah, you good? Okay. Well, we only have to hold it for 4 more minutes. Three minutes left, guys.
Okay. I'm assuming like a minute and a half left too.
Yeah, roundabouts.
Okay.
Yeah, right about a minute. There's Mikey. Okay, guys, game. Game!
Okay.
Tess.
Ooh, that was a good game.
Yeah.
Hey, Tess.
I'm like dead.
Tess. Hey, David. How are you feeling?
Now that it's game, no longer unconscious.
Because I was sitting there, I was like, he hasn't done anything in a while. Either he's Mel Simmons super hardcore, or David got legitimately fucked up.
Technically, I was Mel Simmons super hardcore because you guys stopped talking to me, and so I passed out. And so I literally went that entire time without
Just nothing.
I didn't even see anything. I just had my eyes shut
closed.
the entire time.
Can you imagine how shitty it looked at have been? Like, here we are, like, oh, we're being as Mel Simmons as possible, and David's just out to the world.
I was legitimately worried something was wrong. Like, I was just sitting there, I was like, well, I asked him if he was alright earlier, he didn't answer, so I'm gonna assume he's Mel Simmons as fuck, and if we get done and he's still not responding, I'm gonna freak the fuck out.
Yeah, then we're gonna have to carry his ass back.
And I also figured you guys were having a bit of a too easy of a
Time, yeah.
I figured some dead weight might make things a bit more interesting.
Oh, it certainly did.
Yeah, you got a lot heavier.
It's
really
like
quick.
when we were over there by the rock, and I was like, oh, I'll just fireman carry him down this
Yeah. Where's my single point
yeah, let's
stone?
just go the rest of the way.
Where's my single point stone?
You probably passed out from blood loss.
You and P?
Yeah, you were the only one that mentioned anything about, oh, he probably passed out.
Well, I just kind of assumed, because you weren't responding, I was like, well,
Medicing skills suck.
We're pilots.
Even though our medic didn't even say it.
demolition.
And you were medic too. I was aiming.
Oh.
Well, guys. Fine.
Okay, do you want me to turn this off already, or do you want to?
Yeah. I turned it off already. Cool. And then we can talk to him.
We did.